Kamusta mga kabasketballista? Tinalo ng Milwaukee Bucks ang Philadelphia 76ers 118-117. Nagtala ng 39 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists si Damian Lillard. Giannis Antetokounmpo 23 points, 13 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals, 2 blocks. Para naman sa natalong 76ers, Joel Embiid 24 points, 7 rebounds, 6 assists, 1 block. Wagi naman ang Los Angeles Lakers kontra sa Phoenix Suns 195. Pinangunahan ni LeBron James ang Lakers sa likod ng kanyang 21 points, 8 rebounds, 9 assists, 2 steals, 2 blocks. Nag-ambag naman ng 30 points, 12 rebounds, 2 assists, 3 steals, 3 blocks si Anthony Davis. Habang si Kevin Durant nagtala ng 39 points, 11 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal, 1 block para sa Phoenix Suns. Ito ang mga laro ngayong October 28, 2023. Sa alas 7 ng umaga, magharap ang Detroit Pistons at Charlotte Hornets. Maglalaban naman ang Denver Nuggets at Memphis Grizzlies. Para naman sa alas 7:30 ng umaga, magtatapatan ang New York Knicks at Atlanta Hawks. Kakalabanin naman ng Miami Heat ang Boston Celtics. Magharap naman ang Oklahoma City Thunder at Cleveland Cavaliers. Para naman sa alas 8 ng umaga, kakaharapin ng Toronto Raptors ang Chicago Bulls. Magtatagisa naman ng Houston Rockets at San Antonio Spurs. Maglalaban din ng Brooklyn Nets at Dallas Mavericks alas 8:30 ng umaga. Magtutuos naman ng Los Angeles Clippers at Utah Jazz alas 9:30 ng umaga. Magharap naman ang Orlando Magic at Portland Trail Blazers alas 10 ng umaga. Kakalabanin naman ng Golden State Warriors ang Sacramento Kings alas 10 ng umaga. Heto ang team standings ngayon October 27, 2023 sa Western Conference. New Orleans Pelicans 1 win 0 loss, Dallas Mavericks 1 win 0 loss, Oklahoma City Thunder 1 win 0 loss, Denver Nuggets 1 win 0 loss, Sacramento Kings 1 win 0 loss, Los Angeles Clippers 1 win 0 loss, Los Angeles Lakers 1 win 1 loss, Phoenix Suns 1 win 1 loss, Minnesota Timberwolves 0 win 1 loss, San Antonio Spurs 0 win 1 loss, Memphis Grizzlies 0 win 1 loss, Golden State Warriors 0 win 1 loss, Portland Trail Blazers 0 win 1 loss, Utah Jazz 0 win 1 loss, Houston Rockets 0 win 1 loss. Para naman sa Eastern Conference, Cleveland Cavaliers 1 win 0 loss, Miami Heat 1 win 0 loss, Milwaukee Bucks 1 win 0 loss, Orlando Magic 1 win 0 loss, Indiana Pacers 1 win 0 loss, Charlotte Hornets 1 win 0 loss, Boston Celtics 1 win 0 loss, Toronto Raptors 1 win 0 loss, Detroit Pistons 0 win 1 loss, Brooklyn Nets 0 win 1 loss, Philadelphia 76ers 0 win 1 loss, New York Knicks 0 win 1 loss, Atlanta Hawks 0 win 1 loss, Chicago Bulls 0 win 1 loss, Washington Wizards 0 win 1 loss. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.